Manipur Police arrested Khangebam Sanaton alias Sanaton Singh, 53, in connection with the murder of Mirangi Chiru, an individual from the Chiru tribe. Further, the accused was produced before the court of the JMFC Imphal West 1 and remanded to 8 days of police custody. Confirming the same, the Manipur Police on its X handle wrote, "In connection with the murder of Mirangi Chiru on 15 July, Manipur Police arrested one individual identified as Khangebam Sanaton at Sanaton Singh, 53 years. He was later produced before the court of the Honorable JMFC Imphal West 1 and remanded to 8 days police custody. Further efforts are ongoing to apprehend the other suspects involved in the case. Mirangi Chiru, a resident of Kangchup Chiru, was reportedly tortured to death by miscreants. The tragic incident, which occurred on July 15, has left the community in a state of profound grief and sorrow. Efforts are ongoing to apprehend the other suspects involved in the case. Meanwhile, family members and relatives of Mirangi Chiru are calling on the authorities to expedite the investigation and immediately bring those responsible to justice."